In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add the same song on multiple Instagram stories. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and let's start with creating a story. So now I'm gonna open up Instagram app. Then we need to tap right here at this plus. Select story at the very bottom, and that will activate Instagram story camera, which we can use to take pictures or record videos here. And also we can tap right there, and that will open up your camera roll. And from here we can choose any media, let's say that one. You can select one picture or multiple pictures here. To select multiple pictures, first off, tap right here where it says select, and then you will be able to choose several images at once. Then tap at that arrow to head over to the next step where we can add some music here to that story by tapping at that music icon. From here we can choose any song. We can hit at play to listen to it. Now volume is turned off here, and we can easily increase volume to listen to that song. And to add this music to your story, then just hit right here, then select the part you would like to use in your story, and then hit at done. That's how we can easily add music to our story. And if you want to use the same song in the other stories, then simply repeat all the same steps. So you just need to open up your camera roll, select pictures or maybe videos, and then hit next until you get to that step where you can tap right here and then select music you would like to use in your story. And on that step, just select song you would like to use in your story. You can search for it using search here. Just enter song name, then hit search, and then you will be able to use the same song in your another story. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.